Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Blaze AI and ChatGPT. In order to do so, here we are at blaze.ai and we're all logged in, and we're also at chatgpt.com. ChatGPT is well known and is pretty straightforward in what you can expect. You can basically ask anything, as it says here, and ChatGPT can answer your questions. There are a lot of applications for ChatGPT that you can take advantage of. You can write scripts, you can improve your resume, you can generate images. There's a lot you can do with it. You can even do coding. With Blaze AI, it is more about AI agents that allow you to create content for different platforms, for your social media, for your business. We could take a closer look here at exactly what Blaze AI is all about. It's a little bit more of an organized platform than something like ChatGPT, where ChatGPT is very straightforward. Blaze is more organized to offer you different tools that you can take advantage of. So we'll go ahead and we'll go through the different tools that you can take advantage of here with Blaze. So we have social media posts that you can create. You can create product descriptions. You can create visuals as well. You can create video posts, generating scripts for videos for TikTok. You can generate blog posts. You can brainstorm content ideas. You can build a content plan, analyze your business website to get content ideas on how to market your products and services. You can manage blog posts. There's a lot you can do here. Newsletters, close more deals with persuasive emails that drive action. You can generate copy for the most common website pages. You can create customer support FAQs. You can close more candidates with persuasive emails that drive action. Brainstorm ideas. Here we have different platforms we can create for. We can create blog posts, content outlines, product copies, product visuals. You can create scripts for videos. We have multi-channel campaigns, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, LinkedIn, X, blog posts. You can create ads for the top platforms that are out there. You can create emails, newsletters, guide new visitors into happy customers with perfectly timed emails. E-commerce turns shoppers into buyers with smart automated messages. And we got websites, sales, customer support, recruiting. So you can create a brand kit so you can generate content that looks and sounds like you and your business. So there is a lot that you can do with Blaze. And again, it's just a more organized approach to AI. A lot of what you can do on Blaze, you can also do on ChatGPT, but it just takes a little bit more know-how on your part in order to be able to do those things with ChatGPT. And ChatGPT is maybe not the best place to go if you're trying to generate visuals for your websites, for your social media. That's something where Blaze would really come in handy. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you will find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials and top AI recommendations. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we would greatly appreciate it.